Good morning, my name is Tarmo, my geocaching name is Metroboy. Today I'm here in Chafford Hundred that is connected to the Lakeside Shopping Centre. Lakeside Shopping Centre, it is 11th biggest shopping centre in the Europe and one of the biggest ones in the Greater London area. The Lakeside Shopping Centre lies within the borders of Thurrock and the Lakeside is de facto high street. So today I'm heading there. I have a plan to visit IKEA because I need a TV stand and I did see it's quite cheap, costs like £15 or so. And also it's just interesting idea to do a little video and see how this area looks like. But if I'm lucky, I might catch the bus to get to the other side of the river, to the Kent County. And there is one geocache I would like to find. It's been my back burner quite some time. There is also another shopping centre on the other side of the River Thames. So when you're crossing the Queen Elizabeth II Bridge, there's a blue water shopping centre. And I would say it's actually much nicer and more magnificent with really nice interiors. It kind of looks like old Roman bathhouse or something with all the carvings on the ceilings and so on. I'm not saying that Lakeside is a bit boring, but yeah, I would say I would expect a little bit more from this Lakeside. About the prices, when I was last time here, I did visit the Apple store because that was one of my dreams, so to speak, and nothing special, absolutely nothing special. All kind of sports store with sports gear, everything was very overpriced, and in the end, this place left me a bit sour taste, in my opinion. Obviously, if you are a rich man, you can afford everything. I don't know, you probably wouldn't come to the Lakeside. You probably do your shopping in Mayfair, London or something. Getting here from Southend-on-Sea is not too tricky. And doing this on weekends, you can actually save quite a lot of buck if you have a Network Rail card. So today I paid for my return ticket from Southend Central to the Chafford Hundred, only £7.60. And for this money, obviously, it was not the fastest to get there due to the fact that on the weekends there's always some restrictions in place for the train services. And today I opted to take the train from Southend Central to the Upminsters, where I changed over to the bus replacement service to Chafford Hundred. So it took a bit more time than I would like to expect, but not too bad, not too bad. Especially if you like to do some shopping here or some specifics like IKEA. So that's the place where I would like to visit today as well. So I was able to get bus X80 to the other side of the river. So right now I'm in the Kent County and I got literally my feet wet because there's a geocache with terrain rating 3 and difficulty rating 3 as well. And it was comparably simple puzzle cache. I can't remember what was the puzzle itself, but the cache is hidden inside the water. So you need to walk into the lake and it's hidden behind one of those round rescue things there. So I was able to sign and the cache was last signed exactly 4 years ago. So this cache has not been found for 4 years. And me coming from Southend-on-Sea, finding it, I think it's a big thing. But right now I'm going to the War Memorial cache in Grays. Well, it's posted in Grays, but the cache itself is actually on the other side in the Kent County. And I am making my way there right now. War memorials are also something I would like to add, something in my bucket list to place a geocache. And war memorials, those are obviously dedicated to the First World War. The Second World War II here in England is called the Blitz. So, right now I'm here in the Dartford. And for example, you want to get across to the other side, to the Essex County, then you have several options, but you don't have money to get to the other side and you are with the bicycle, then obviously you can't go underneath the tunnel. That one is illegal and might land you on a hefty fine. So there is this assembly point here, and when you get to this assembly point, there's a place to call a lift and it's completely free service. So to do that, here is a telephone box, and you open up this telephone box, you lift this one, and you can get cycle transport, which is, as you can see the number written on here, 221. And then somebody comes here, picks you up together with your bikes and gets to the other side. I don't know, is it gonna work for those who don't have bike? Obviously you need to use the bus, so X80 is the obvious choice for them. And obviously this location is also one of those questions for the Adventure Lab about the Dartford crossing, and I had to answer these letters SRLR in one point to get to the next location. And as that question was something I've been waiting so long to do, I was able to get today. I'm very happy about it. So as you can see, I am closing in to the final location for that multi-cache. And it's quite unusual that the last location is from the published coordinates so far away, in this case over 4 kilometers. But the reason for that is quite simple. If it's, let's say, mystery cache, you have limits how far you can actually place the physical cache. But when you do it as a multi-cache, then the limit goes away. And there are geocaches that are in different countries, even different continents. So, like, there's a geocache in America, published coordinates, and the final location is somewhere in the Europe, or whatever. This is the fun of the game. And the reviewers are quite flexible if you are experienced cache owner and you can actually say that you are able to maintain those caches even if they are on different continents. So this is the case here. Cache location, the published cache location is in Thurrock, and the final location is here in the Kent. So where it could be hiding? I'm sure I'll find it quickly enough. A nice quick find, and it seems to be I'm the third finder of this geocache on a honorable location after the geocaching legend from the Basildon area, the Wayne's Rover. So my best wishes for Derry. You are a legend. Jesus Maria. Some of these caches are still very difficult to get. So I would like to conclude my geocaching trip to the lakeside. It went fine. I was able to get the bus X80, get to the other side, found 2 caches that I've been looking forward to do it. And one of them was, well, I didn't say straight away, but it was inside the lake. And this lake had some guards in place. And then when I was there, rolling up my sleeve already in the water, I heard from the other side of the lake, "Stop, don't go into the water." Basically, there were 2 security guards who were genuinely thinking that I'm there to commit a suicide or something. I was luckily very swiftly able to get the cache, which was hidden there very neatly, and get out from the water in time. So when the security guards came there, they were very happy to see me, that I wasn't there to commit the suicide. But I think they didn't see anyone. I think they were actually genuinely worried about me. So that was hilarious. And yeah, when I came back from the other side using the tunnel underneath the River Thames, then I went to see the IKEA shop. And I must say, I did a purchase, which is over here. This one is a TV table, and it's called Luck, or Lack in English words. I was checking out what this word lack means in Swedish, and it means lacquer. But because the name is Luck, it's very cheap. It's only 15 pounds. And this is a TV desk. And what I learned about this one is that this is made in Poland. And one of my colleagues at work said that this is actually in the region where he is from. There's like 2 factories doing these desks for the IKEA. So in the end, it was really nice. I must say, the weather was not perfect, but I can't complain too much. It's the end of the September still, and it's mid-autumn. So right now, I'm here in the Pitsi, waiting for the train, and I'm hopefully getting back to Southend very, very soon. So if you like my content, please subscribe, and I hope to see you already next weekend. Bye for now.